Mobile Application Testing. Chapter 5. Setting up an on-premise mobile test lab. An on-premise mobile test lab keeps all devices and emulators on-site. Device selection considers usage, OS versions, screen specs, cost, unique features, and audience relevance. On-premise lab. Advantages and challenges. Ideal for NFC, Bluetooth, and sensor-specific features like battery and touch. Procuring new devices can face delays, affecting project timelines. Costs vary based on device procurement and ongoing maintenance. Difficult to test across diverse geographical locations and environments. On-premise labs offer advantages for specific testing needs, but can present budget and logistical challenges, especially regarding timely device availability and geographical testing. Exploring remote mobile test labs. Remote lab overview. These labs are important and helpful for testing when devices or networks are not physically available on site. Remote device access, RDA, allows access via a network connection to various devices hosted in the provider's data center. Each potential RDA provider needs to be evaluated for compliance with the requirements, especially for security. Remote test labs are crucial when on-site device access is limited. Each provider must be thoroughly evaluated for security and compliance with specific requirements. Advanced features of remote labs. Dedicated physical device versions, e.g., Samsung Mobile Devices Lab. Generic devices for a particular operating system and version only. Robotic arms for performing touch and gesture-related operations. Virtual Private Network, VPN, connections to give access to the device. Cellular connections with various cellular network providers. Automation tools and services. Considerations for remote test labs. Potential for slower device responsiveness due to network latency. Limited options for multi-touch and complex gestures. Cost-effective for occasional use, but expensive for extended, broad testing. Provides immediate access to devices, unlike procuring local lab devices. Labs can easily scale up or down based on project needs. When using remote test labs, consider device responsiveness and interaction limitations. While cost-effective for sporadic use, continuous use can be expensive, though they offer excellent on-demand availability and scalability. Hybrid test lab approach. Cloud testing struggles with NFC/Bluetooth sensors and precise battery consumption. Physical devices are essential. Remote labs excel in network and GPS testing, leveraging diverse geographical locations. Combining on-premise and remote labs offers comprehensive testing. The best approach depends on the specific tests, balancing sensor-heavy needs with distributed network requirements.